Hey there, teddy bears, Maida here. While I was cleaning my dorm room that does not give any spark of joy in my heart, I found another painted soda bottle that I can use to transfer my other tomato plant. I've got at least 1 inch on the bottle and fold it in. Then I will use the top part of a tea bottle as a pot for my plant. 4 or 5 inch deep is the best depth to hold my plant. I will also add more holes for better air circulation. Let's see if it fits. There you go. And it fits. Awesome. Looks sturdy. So snap solution at the bottom and the tomato on top. It's raining today, but let's go out and do some transplanting. After preparing our materials, I am now pouring our pre-mixed snap solution into our bottle. This is the one that I used in my previous video. We're not using any air pumps or equipment in this system. Therefore, we have to make sure that the plant will get enough oxygen to grow and survive. Alright, our water solution is ready. Let me just put the snap solution away and grab the other container on our soda bottle. And here is the tomato plant that we will transplant. It's producing some flowers already. Give it some squeeze and some tap. Just like that. Now you can see that the tomato plant is getting root bounded. And let's see. Alright. So I am trying to put the plant into its permanent container without damaging so much roots. Transplant shock is quite common. It's like us when we go to a new place, new environment, or any changes in our lives. We will experience some stresses, and if not managed, can lead to some illnesses or injuries. Just giving our roots a few more squeeze, a few more nudge. And on this part, I am just trying to reach some roots that will be exposed in our water solution, so that they can get the nutrients that they need to support the life of the plant, produce more flowers and fruits. Just pop it out. Now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have additional tips, info, and your opinion in this method of growing. I want to make sure that this is sturdy enough. I'm showing here the level or the gap between the water solution and the lip of our bottle. Just like that. So the roots will continue to grow downwards, and once it reaches the water solution, it will grow more and more, just like what I've showed you in my previous videos. Now, as an additional step here, I will put some barbecue sticks as stakes for this tomato. It is now rainy season here, and we are experiencing some strong wind and strong rain that can damage our tomato plant. Just trying to make some final adjustments. I will also put this tomato plant into the shaded part of the balcony for 2 to 3 days. And there you have it. We've managed to successfully transplant our tomato plant into its new snap container. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please take care always, stay safe, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.